Hey guys, hi to all my new subscribers, hey to all my old subscribers, and thank you guys for sticking in there. For today's video, I wanted to do a review slash wash and go. The last video I did was my wash and go routine. I do want to try different products for my wash and go, but I'm kind of scared because honestly guys, I can't risk having a bad wash and go. I really like this, the Texture ID styling cream, so I'm kind of scared when it comes to trying other products, other like styling creams with my hair, because like I said before, I really can't risk having a bad wash and go, guys. So I want to do more hair videos for you guys, but it's gonna take me a while because like I said, I'm just kind of scared. Like, I know what product works for me, so I kind of just want to stick with that. So for today, I am going to be doing a hair review, but it will be on the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask, which is this right here. I will insert a better clip if you guys can't see it because I am kind of far from the camera. And this has sweet almond oil and wheat protein plus honey. It says it restores strength and hydration. So I usually use a Shea Moisture Manuka honey mask. My hair loves that stuff. Like, I have been using that for, I want to say maybe 2 years now, and my hair loves that stuff. Like, it just loves it. I'm not going to stop using that, but I do want to try different deep conditioning treatments. But anyway, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to take this off my head. I have a shirt underneath. I use a shirt, and as you guys can see, my hair, oh my god, my hair. So my hair is, look at this, look at, y'all see this? This is freaking mad. Look at this, oh my god. This looks a hot freaking mess. Oh my god. Y'all don't understand, my hair feels like a Brillo pad right now. Alright, so I'm going to take my water, and I just bought this little mist sprayer, so we're going to see how this works. This water feels cold. Okay, now I remember why I don't do hair videos, because this is a freaking mess. So I had to dunk my hair in hot water because it just did not feel like this spray had warm water in it. It just felt like it was freaking cold. And I told you guys I usually do this in the bathroom, so I am able to refill the spray bottle quickly before it can get cold. Since I'm not in the bathroom, this is a little more difficult. So I'm just gonna once again put this all over my hair. I'm gonna concentrate on the ends. And I know you guys are probably like, that's a lot of deep conditioner, but honestly, I'm not used to such a thinner consistency deep conditioner, so I feel like I have to use a lot with my hair. This is how my hair was looking. Let's twist this up. Ooh. I am hoping after I wash this out, I can comb through my hair more easily, because right now, this is not giving me great slip. This is not giving me great slip. This is not making my hair easy to detangle. I don't know. It's not looking good so far. So we shall see. And I feel like I'm having to use a lot of it. But that could just be me, because I'm so used to using a thick conditioner. Struggle. Struggle. The struggle is real. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take a plastic bag. Y'all know how I am. I use plastic bags to deep condition my hair. Alright, so I am going to go under the dryer. I'm going to do my deep condition for 25 minutes. And when I come back, let's hope this deep conditioning mask, deep treatment mask, does something for my hair. As you guys can see, I am experiencing a lot of shedding. I don't even know if this is a lot, but I hate when my hair sheds. I just hate it. I just feel like I'm going bald every time my hair sheds. Also, my hair was very, very tangled, very matted, and it felt extremely dry. Let's see if this deep conditioner can restore my moisture, help with my shedding. Let's just see what it does, guys. I will be right back in about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so I am back. I rinsed out the deep conditioner. I put this t-shirt on my head. So let's see what's my hair looking like. Alright. It definitely did something because my hair is not feeling dry. It actually feels very soft. Very, very soft. Which is a good thing. You guys can see, you can actually see my curls a little better than you usually can, it looks like. So it does feel very soft. Alright guys, so I did end up styling my hair off camera. If you guys want to know how I do my wash and goes, I will put a link to how I do my wash and goes in this video. So the next clip will be a clip of how my hair was looking the next day. Alright guys, so this is the next day and this is how my hair is looking. So my hair did come out really good. I am loving it. It has a lot of body, it has a lot of shine. I am actually loving it. All my curls look defined. This is exactly how I want my wash and goes to come out every single time. This is only first day hair and I'm absolutely loving my first day hair. And I usually never love my first day hair. My first day hair, I'm like, it just looks crunchy, it looks horrible, it looks a mess. But for some reason today, I am really liking this. Like, it looks fantastic. And if I had to rate this deep treatment mask, I am going to give it I'm gonna say a 7. And I'm gonna give it a 7 because I don't really know if it strengthened my hair. My hair does not feel like it doesn't feel any stronger than it did before. So I'm not really sure if it strengthened my hair. Also, it didn't give me good slip. A lot of my foundations that are really hydrating give me good slip, so it's easy for me to detangle. This didn't really do that. Like, I still had a hard time detangling my hair. And for it to have sweet almond oil and honey, I thought it would have been a little bit better at detangling, but it wasn't. I really had to struggle at detangling my hair. When I use my Shea Moisture or I use my Aussie Moist, I really can like easily just go through my hair. Like, I could get all them tangles out. I could detangle really easily. It's effortless. With this, it took a little bit of work. I will say it did add some type of moisture. It did. Because after I rinsed it out, my hair did look defined. As you guys can see in the previous clip, my hair definitely did look defined. It didn't look dull. So it did add some type of moisture. I'm just not sure if it added any type of strength. So that's why I kind of give it a 7, because I'm really not sure if it really did much. I didn't see my curls spring back to life with this. I seen they were moisturized. My curls didn't seem like it had any life. So I don't think this really restored any strength in my hair. So that's why I give it a 7. I do think it's still a good product. The Texture ID line, I'm pretty sure is good. I use the curling cream. That is like my staple. You guys, I love it. Will I be purchasing this again? Probably not. But I will say you guys can go pick it up and give it a try if you are looking for a protein plus moisture deep conditioner, because everyone has different hair. Just because something may not have worked to the best of its ability in my hair doesn't mean it's not going to work great in your hair. So I will say go try it out, but I'm just letting you guys know how it worked on my hair. If you guys like this video in particular, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, until next time, bye.